You an apprentice wanting to know what to do next to help grow your career and next steps, things you should take and do? Listen up, I got another 60-ish coming at you. So you're fresh out of school and you're getting started somewhere, or say you've been at a place for a little while now and you're trying to figure out, okay, so I'm not really growing the way I want to. I want to grow more. What do I do? What do I do next? Okay. My first suggestion is, if you're not taking time to routinely read and research different topics and things, start there. You got to start there and research the things that you struggle with the most on a daily basis. So that's going to be number one. Number two is you just got to ask questions. You cannot be scared to ask questions. If you're working with a senior level tech or somebody above you that's you're not comfortable getting answers from, fine, go find somebody you are. You know, stay in touch with your professors or find a mentor somewhere, or heck, I mean, even if that means you're messaging me, asking me questions, fine, do it. But ask questions. Get answers to the things you don't know. Don't get comfortable. Whatever you do, however you do it, don't allow yourself to become comfortable, because when you do, you're not growing as much as you should be. Because as long as you're at that apprentice level, you should never feel comfortable, with everything you're doing, if you're striving to grow the way you should be. That's going to allow you to move up in this industry. How you not allow yourself to be comfortable is you intentionally look for the scenarios or the situations, or you ask to be put in situations where it's not something that you feel a lot of confidence in. And that's okay, because by going and doing that thing, it's going to help you build confidence. And then with the research you need to do and asking the questions you should ask, it's only going to continue to grow that comfort in that specific thing, which is going to allow you to go to the next thing that you're not comfortable with. And it's got to be a very vicious cycle that you've got to put yourself in if you're going to compete at the top of this industry. Just another 60-ish coming at you. I hope this helps. I hope this kind of gives you some words of guidance or anything that you're looking for as to, how you're going to take your career and your level of involvement in this trade to the next level. If I've said it 1,000 times and I'll continue to say it, you're going to do as well as in this trade as you strive to achieve. And sometimes that means you've got to put yourself in a position where, you may not like it, but it's going to push you to do what you don't think you can. I firmly believe in, true growth is found and expedited through adversity. And by putting yourself in adverse scenarios, it's going to force you to be stronger from it. Love you guys. And, make sure you spend time with your families. Put time in with the kids, the wife, husband. It's just as important as everything else we do every day. See ya.